10 habits that can make you rich. What if I told you that becoming financially successful is not about earning a huge salary? It's about building the right habits. You don't need to be a millionaire to start making smart money decisions. In fact, many wealthy people started with very little. What made the difference was consistency. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful money habits that can help you save more, invest better, and build long-term wealth. If you want to improve your financial life in 2026, watch until the end. Let's get started. 1. Pay yourself first. Most people spend money first and save whatever is left. Successful people do the opposite. As soon as they receive their income, they automatically transfer a percentage into savings or investments. Even if you start with just 10%, this habit creates discipline and helps you build wealth over time. Remember, saving is not what you do with leftovers. It should be your first priority. 2. Track every dollar. You can't improve what you don't measure. Many people have no idea where their money goes each month. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. Once you know your spending habits, it becomes much easier to cut unnecessary costs and redirect money toward your goals. Awareness is the first step to financial freedom. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When people earn more money, they often spend more money. A bigger salary leads to a bigger car payment, a more expensive apartment, and more unnecessary purchases. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of increasing your spending every time your income rises, increase your savings and investments. That's how you turn raises into wealth. 4. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are part of life. Car repairs, medical bills, and job loss can happen to anyone. That's why every person should have an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This money gives you security and prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans during tough times. Financial peace starts with preparation. 5. Eliminate high-interest debt. Credit card debt can destroy your finances. When interest rates are high, debt grows quickly and makes it harder to build wealth. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as fast as possible. Once the debt is gone, use that same monthly payment to invest instead. The less interest you pay, the more money stays in your pocket. 6. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you invest, the more time compound interest has to work for you. Compound interest means your money earns returns, and those returns earn returns. Over time, this creates exponential growth. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into a substantial portfolio. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. 7. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one stock or one asset. Diversification spreads your risk across different investments. This can include index funds, stocks, bonds, and even real estate. A diversified portfolio is more stable and better prepared for market volatility. Protecting your capital is just as important as growing it. 8. Continue learning about money. Financial education is one of the best investments you can make. Read books, watch videos, and follow trusted experts. The more you understand about investing, taxes, and budgeting, the better your decisions will be. Knowledge gives you confidence, and confidence leads to action. 9. Set clear financial goals. People who achieve financial success know exactly what they are working toward. Do you want to buy a house? Retire early? Start a business? Travel the world? Write down your goals and assign a timeline. Specific goals help you stay focused and motivated. 10. Think long-term. Wealth is built over years, not overnight. There will be market crashes, setbacks, and mistakes. But those who stay consistent and patient are the ones who succeed. Avoid chasing quick profits and get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on steady progress. Time is your greatest financial asset. Conclusion. Building wealth is not about luck. It's about habits. If you consistently save first, track your spending, avoid lifestyle inflation, build an emergency fund, eliminate debt, Invest regularly. Diversify. Keep learning. Set goals. And think long-term. You will put yourself in a strong financial position. Start with one habit today. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their finances. See you in the next video.